Okay class, now we're going to continue with Chapter 3 Part 5, Types of Viruses. Before we proceed further, let's take a look at virus morphology. Below are some examples of virus morphology, such as HFMD virus, polio virus, HIV virus, Ebola virus and so more. Now we're going to continue with types of viruses. There are two categories of viruses based on general composition, which are called as non-enveloped virus and enveloped virus. Non-enveloped viruses, or called naked viruses, is viruses formed from only nucleic acid and capsid, while enveloped viruses is viruses formed with a nucleic acid-packed capsid surrounded by a lipid layer. Viruses with only a nucleocapsid and no envelope is known as naked or non-enveloped viruses. Enveloped viruses have a typical bilayer membrane outside their capsids. And such viruses acquire their envelope after they are assembled in a host cell as they bud or move. Envelopes are made of a combination of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. A complete, fully developed, infectious viral particle composed of nucleic acid and surrounded by a protein coat including its envelope, is called a virion. Envelopes may or may not be covered by spikes. The glycoprotein usually occurs as a projection or spikes on the outer surface of the envelope. The spikes has a functions like assist viruses attached to host cells and to identify viruses based on the characteristics. Okay class, now we continue on host range and specificity of viruses. Do you know what is mean by host range? Let's take a look. The host range of a virus refers to the spectrum of hosts that a virus can infect, where the different viruses can infect fungi, bacteria, plants, vertebrates, and invertebrates. However, they are limited to only one host and specific cells, tissues. Viral specificity depends on a specific cell that the virus infects. For example, we may use bacteriophage to treat bacterial infections, known as resistant bacteria.